Life often takes us through moments where we fail to realize its depth. People are busy wasting time, some at parties, some indulging in alcohol, and others lost in clubs. When asked what they are doing, they simply say they are passing time. They think they'll always have time, but when death approaches, these very people wish they had more time. By then, it's too late. Today's story is about understanding the true peace and joy of life. It's a long story, but there's a deep lesson hidden in it. So, listen closely because every moment of life carries an important lesson. The story is about John, who lived in a city in America. John was a hardworking man, but he was always dissatisfied with his life. He had 5 daughters, but no son, and this was heavy on his heart. He felt God had put him on earth only to endure struggle and hardship. He arranged his daughters' marriages, but for that, he had to take on debt. This debt became a burden in his life, and every day he had to listen to taunts from his creditors. Overwhelmed, John decided one day to end his life, thinking if he had a son, everything would have been easier. After death, John reached the gates of heaven and was granted a meeting with Jesus. John questioned the Lord about the hardship of his life. Jesus listened to him and gave him the opportunity to live a new life, this time with a son. John was reborn, and this time he had the son he had always wished for. John thought that now his life would be filled with peace. He raised his son with love and resources, thinking that this son would be the solution to all his problems. But as time passed, his son became more selfish. He started comparing himself with his friends and grew increasingly angry with his father. When John grew old and needed support, his son abandoned him, leaving John alone and heartbroken. Once again, John stood before Jesus in heaven, this time with even greater despair. He asked, "Lord, I thought a son would be the key to my happiness, but this life turned out to be more painful than the last. My daughters may not have been able to help me, but they loved me. Where did I go wrong?" With great compassion, Jesus looked at John and said, "My child, true contentment is never found in chasing worldly desires. The peace you are seeking is not in external things, but in your own heart and your relationship with me." He continued, "When a child is born, their fists are clenched, as if they want to hold on to the world. But when someone dies, their hands are open, showing that we take nothing from this world with us. Those who trust in me and free themselves from desires are the ones who find true joy and peace." John finally understood that the peace and satisfaction he sought in life weren't in external things, but in his relationship with God and serving others. In life weren't in external things, but in his relationship with God and serving others. He realized that true contentment doesn't come from wealth, family, or society's recognition, but from the love and grace of Jesus. So friends, this story teaches us that the real joy of life isn't in worldly desires, but in the Lord. To fill your life with peace and contentment, we must seek the peace that lies within. If you like this story, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Until then, take care and always search for contentment.